Hey guys, welcome back to Lucrative Hustles. In today's video, I will show you how I created these beautiful high quality AI videos using nothing but a simple text prompt. And no, I did not use Google Veo 3. The best part is the tool I'm about to show you is completely free and all you need is a VPN to unlock it. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. The free VPN I recommend, how to set it up, and how to generate your own stunning AI videos in just splits of minutes. With all that being said, let's dive in. So first thing first, head over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Thurder VPN, okay? This is the Thurder VPN. Yours will be showing install. Mine is showing open because I've been using it for quite a while and it's really a good VPN, okay? So once you open it, just do well to click here and choose the country you would like to connect to. I'll be connecting to the US. I'll just click on United States, and as you can see, I'll just click on connect and it will be connected to my device. Okay, as you can see at the top here is showing this symbol here. This king symbol is to show that it's already connected. Next thing you do is for you to head over to Google and search for Dreamina AI. Once you search for Dreamina AI, make sure you click on this first one. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and it will take you to this interface. Please make sure you sign up with a new Gmail. If you do not sign up with a new Gmail, it's not going to work, okay? Once you are here, click on this place that says AI image. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this: AI image, AI video, AI avatar. Just click on AI video. Once you click on it, come here, click on this video and make sure you choose video 3.0 because that is the highest quality, okay? Click on this place that says aspect ratio. Do well to choose the aspect ratio that you want to generate your video in. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be using 16:9. That's the standard YouTube aspect ratio. Okay, once you are done, come here and click on the duration of the video. Okay, as you can see here, you can see 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I want my video to be a little bit lengthy, so I'm just going to be going with 10 seconds. Okay, so after clicking it, I'll just come here and paste in my prompts. Meanwhile, I'll be leaving all the prompts I'll be using in this video on my Telegram channel. Link will be in the description, so do well to grab all the prompts in my Telegram channel. So I just pasted the prompts that I want to use first. After pasting it, I'll click here for it to generate. Okay, as you can see here, it's showing 0 because we are using it unlimitedly. If you follow this process, yours is going to be like that. Okay, as you can see, our video is already generating. As you can see, showing queuing. Just give it a few minutes. I think 1 minute or so, your video is going to be ready. Okay, as you can see, our video is ready and this is it. This is really stunning with just a single text prompt, and this is the video. This is really good, right? And you can see this video does not have sound. For the video to have sound, click on the video. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface just like this. Just click on generate soundtrack. When you click on generate soundtrack, at the top of the video, just click on customize so that you can customize the kind of music you want to add to your video. It's going to bring you here. Here you can customize the soundtrack you want to put in your video. Okay, just click on customize. When you click on customize, it's going to show you a bunch of things like this. Do well to choose the kind of music you want in your video. Okay, here you can just choose, maybe you need cinematic, you need hip hop, whatever pattern of music you want to add in your video. This is the place you are going to add it. Okay, so after adding it, click on this icon here and it's going to generate another video for you, but this time there will be soundtrack added. Okay, so this is the video generating and it is done generating. Here is the outcome. Note that it's going to generate 3 soundtracks for you. Do well to choose either soundtrack 1, soundtrack 2 or soundtrack 3. Once you've chosen the soundtrack that you love most, click on this drop down arrow here and it will be downloaded to your device. How cool is this? For you to generate another video, just click on Explore, paste in your uh prompt. I told you I'll be leaving all the prompts in my Telegram channel and we'll leave the link in the description. Okay, once you paste it, just click on this icon and you can see the video has already generated. This is it. As you can see, this one here, it does not have soundtrack. If you want to add soundtrack, just the way I explained before, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you, click on the video, that's click on the video. Once you click on the video, it's going to take you to an interface like this. Click on generate soundtrack. When you click on generate soundtrack, come here to customize the kind of sound you want to put in your video. Okay, so once you are done customizing it, just click here and it will be added to your video and it's going to generate another video, but this time the video is going to be the same, but this time it's going to add soundtrack. Okay, as you can see, the video is done generating and we have 3 soundtrack here. Play each of the soundtrack and see the one that really fits your video. Once you've seen the one that fits your video, click on here, that's click on this icon and it will be downloaded to your device. So let me play the video for you in full so that you can see the magic that this AI does. In my opinion, I think this AI, it's really good and awesome, right? Can you see the details? Like, it looks real, as if these images are real people, like the images are real humans and the characters in the video. Okay, if you think otherwise, let me know down in the comment section. Okay, I think this tool is really nice compared to Google Veo 3, but the only downside is this: these images, like these characters, cannot speak like that of Google Veo 3. That's the only downside. So now let's try and generate images. Just click on explore and you'll be on this interface, right? The same way you set this one to video, just set it to image. Once you click on set to image, click on the aspect ratio. Once you click on aspect ratio, come over here and paste in your prompt. Okay, so once the prompt is being pasted, click on this icon for the image to be generated. Okay, as you can see, our image is generating. Once you put in one prompt, it's going to give you different images. That's 4 different images for that particular prompt. So you are going to check the 4 images and choose the one that you think it's okay for the prompt you just input into these two. Okay, as you can see, our 4 images are ready. These images are really stunning, I kid you not. Okay, this tool is really good and it's even free. To me, I think this is really good compared to Google Veo 3. If you think otherwise, just let me know in the comments. Share your thoughts in the comments, okay? The only downside I don't really like about this tool is that the people in the video, that's the character in the video, cannot really speak. But Google Veo 3, those characters can speak. But outside that, I think this tool is really amazing. As I earlier said, let me know your thought. If you have any question or anything at all, let me know down in the comment section. If you are yet to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your post notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. Okay, click on this video that is showing up on your screen right now and you will be glad you did. Bye, and I will see you in the next one.